This problem, we want to find the standard deviation from the group data. It's a group per one value. Download the group data to groups of statistics spreadsheet. And if you just got one value, like the 1 here, and then 2, and so forth, you put the 1 in both the LCL and UCL, the 2 in both the LCL and the UCL. Only thing that'll be different will be the frequency there. So 138, 8, 5, 7, 9, 12, 7, 13, 1. Double check. 138, 5, 7, 9, 12, 7, 13, 1. Okay, and this is asking for standard deviation. That's sample standard deviation. And let's say specifically say population, you go sample standard deviation. So my answer is 2.29771 rounded to the appropriate decimal place.